First off, right off the bat, if you hear lawnmower noises, sorry, my neighbor's mowing the yard, and I have to get this filmed. I hit the road tomorrow. So, back to business. I wanted to do y'all a quick favor. If you don't have this tape measure, I'm telling you right now, you're missing out. Seriously, after watching this video and I show you everything you can do, prove me wrong and tell me a better tape measure. I'm Andy, this is Epeius Garage. I'm going to tell you a little bit about this tape measure, and if you end up feeling like you like it, I'll have the link in the description for you. I actually link it in all my videos because I use it on everything I build. First cool thing about this tape measure, it's a left-right pull tape measure. No matter whether you pull it from the left or you pull it from the right, you're going to be able to read the numbers. They've got numbers on both sides. So it should be good for left and right-handed people, and it greatly reduces the amount of mismarks and miscuts on your work, in my opinion. Next good thing about this tape measure is it's very durable. It has a durable rubber case. I've dropped this thing I don't know how many times, and it's still holding together just fine. It has quite a few battle wounds on it. And the thing I use most, pencil sharpener. I use it all the time. While you're working and you sharpen your pencil, you have your pencil sharpener right here with your tape already. And the sharpener works really well. This feature is pretty cool. It's got an erasable notepad built into it. You can scribble a quick dimension that you don't want to forget, multiple dimensions, whatever you need to put on the tape, it's there. You can scribble it and it erases with just a regular eraser. Tape also has dual locks. You have the finger lock on the bottom, and then you have your standard on every tape measure thumb lock that locks it in place. I use both of these features depending on what I'm doing. So curious, what are your thoughts? Do you have this tape measure? Do you have a tape measure you feel is better than this one? And if so, I would love to hear about it in the comments. Feel free, throw in some comments, tell me about the tape measures you like, why they're better, or what you like about this one. Did I miss anything on this tape measure? It does a lot. I'll see y'all next time.